a shop ya na a use you a mumu na etimi aboyi. But take note, say all winners will only be contacted by MTN official number no 024 300,000. Say a for no redeem price. The number for be afro and send a message be a patrol fraud. And you know why? Just Momo it we did for you everywhere you go. And then as radio no if you Nestle Ghana for chain. Almost see fan two and him say ne research abe show and a dead the face say 4 out of 10 women in childbearing age and I face 6 out of 10 children below 5 years are affected by iron deficiency anemia. Now a very worrying part. Iron deficiency affecting more their ability to be active and then learn with full concentration. Now so one channel when treating in temwa a bit me affect about dream and I feel physical development for the rest of their lives. But there's great news. This can be changed by simply eating iron-rich foods. What I say now, feel so iron fortified foods. Be no a bit me a boost to the iron level in the blood. Now a yisa problem with a feel. And it's hashtag near the night and also live strong with iron. It's I said Duane there and no any iron in Duane. Yeah, that Nestle for us was a year and carboya on the brain. My next about capsules. Bema biano. Eka cry now call anymore and near Massa. A brand now 20s, Ubura 30s, Munano said they now Nasu se Bemano. A bedu say 50 walk on Anuze. They say no to me now, Nasu Sabi, now or then a sort. Sabre now being here, Manex about capsules. What shall say in Numbia? It's a year herbal extract, probably no a woman, natural ones, no. A bois a boost to male vitality, unya energy. Ya bit me the ultimate performance pa e wompem e promote to a libido unya stamina and ban sexual potency so what me gina na so yi pa no pa no one number ko nwure no one number ko e bebo ama wa rediscover the youth in you. E available our pharmacy shops awodo ni nyina mu open door pa na wa fresh sharp pharmaceuticals 020-812-9841 and our 0249-436 756 sounds like me phrase 0302220329. I do be on here piano. Yeah, the more. Finally, a fast day on my Serene Insurance. The patrol insurance company there, Casa don't want to dom na problem be a ba. And now no pay me coffee junction more hona sa crossroad ne on barrier honano. Oh, mommy be pardon you couldn't in Batica H now on drive one. Papa bizu BMW X5B. Oh, I'm do way as a way big number. So I say we be all me and I did bim. Kai. I said, Wamba. We say or fault, we say or fault. Cobas happen as the insurance, no, I don't want to dom on your papa, over from us, I'll move you. Banka BB say, Abbey. You just talk to your insurance now on your back, sort it. Oh, and it's in the account for Serene Insurance, the amount. Obo Modian, your Moshibumua. A torrential brimua now say. Abra wakwa manimu ana hunye mu no mo asori agina wachi no mo aboa se de be ya honso wani entu ento wonsem ye do mo ase bomodin ase obehwe mo achi akwan na oniom edi ensawoso na bibia ebe fine. All right, so now call somebody, tell somebody that TULENKEY is in the building and you're about to have fun on the radio.
Boys, we no like cheap girls, but low key, we dey stalk them a page. We go like run, but we dey fear. Screenshots go fit pie, so we base. Boys, loud songs we dey play. We won't feel more bass for the room. We dey stress old girl, but she dey. Prepaid, it be we dey chill. Boys, every day we no get, but we go like make you buy, make you chop. We go take one a money tier bet. If you share, Lukaku be the course. So it is, so rush we dey rush. But nothing with the game. Phone top pet with you course. If we meet our play with the bag. Boys, we no care. And we don't give a till the end. Boys, we no care. And we don't give a till till the end. And we don't give a we no care. Boys, we no like Hamatan. We go like go room for them all. No be say we they like Galavant. Them all get some nice sense, that be all. Boys, if you text we go air. We they left one a chat to make you bunch. And know the girls we they play with your head. We are with you, mum, but you are not yours. Boys, if you get me for spend. Girls day we for throw money small. We go buy tables for the club. When we come there, we still home. So rush we they rush. But nothing with the game. Front up pet with the cost. If we meet our play with the play with the bag. Boys, we no care. And we don't give a till the end. Boys, we no care. And we don't give a till the end. And we don't give a we no care.
Let me tell you some story. Some small boy be a know that what the guy see what that's so sorry.
All right, so
grab the next day update instead.
Tule is in the house, yo.
So one say that.
Charlie, I officially akwaba. Back on the frafra.
What's my dad?
Now, BBR to saying.
Oh, we are the dean.
And you won't boko. I am not among for say, more I am nice and more cool bisa no Charlie. If you meet them for one corner, Charlie, the things that they do, no be easy, but so they be humble guys, they be cool guys, it be so there.
Oh, me mood swing so make me a super hyper. Make me a reserve.
Just all the end there's sasa.
Yeah.
Anyway, now you started from your name, TULENKEY.
Yeah.
What kind of name is this?
Oh, TULENKEY the yeah, I would say it's from like a gang where they tumor, like Ohuri. I think Ohuri. Me akona mama sadin. I'm in town with Bifako.
Ushishi.
I me jina Ohuri up and down. So I used to go by the name Optimist.
Optimist.
So high school.
And I now use you.
And I own say me starting music as a professional. Me trans John say I'm Ghanaian, I'm African. I want to push this music thing and get to the top. In future, I say I'm Adom na Grammys and Abi me draw a normal cassette. So the winner is TULENKEY. Don't know where I'm from. I'm repping Ghana, but Optimist there is an American name. Or say English name. What you say?
So that's why you changed from
Optimist to TULENKEY. Yeah.
Wow. TULENKEY.
Yeah.
But what's your real name?
Chief Osebunsu. Chief Boating Osebunsu.
Chief Boating Osebunsu.
Yeah.
Akwediendo.
Oh yeah.
Chief Boating Osebunsu.
Yeah.
AKA TULENKEY.
Yeah.
All right. So now, tell us about this song. Titi baby, we are from nowhere. Hey, Charlie, baby, are not say baby.
What's
I say?
Oh, wait there. Once a do time be social media na. Now money complaining na. Men are trash, and at this, and I young man say, and I want to not a man so. I said, young artists, no, we are the mouthpiece of like the people. What you see, and we speak for them. And I say, boys, so the boys they can't change. Almost somebody accept or true character. And I'm so meaning say be no more folk boy, more F boys. What you see, and I'm say let me do a song for them. What I say, no matter the case, we are who we are.
Yeah.
To me drop it, and almost so much to what I say. So it was for the boys.
But what was it something you really planned to say? Oh yeah, do it now. Say best source because it started off on social media.
Yeah.
The first time I saw it, I said. It wasn't a real like music video. I said multi-studio.
Yeah,
we were just having fun like doing this. Celeb we have fun now posting. We have fun now posting. Charlie, check out this one now. And then it got everywhere. And then it was on radio, baby. So were you guys just having fun in the studio? You trying to put this together and a source it was a well-planned thing.
Oh, I knew it would fly because once I wanted to be different. Now me underground.
Yeah.
And I mean,
because now you knew from nowhere.
Yeah, now me need label, me need sika, like me need obi. I'm a damu giddy. And I when say, oh, like before, like you get music out there, if you are in Ghana, you need to promote the song really well. And fortunately for us, social media was there, and I'm saying, okay, let me try and be different. Cause when you me drop here, and it was a different song, like. Obian yes anyom ni bida. And I'm so okay, let me make a first verse of this song and see if it'll fly.
Yeah. Wow.
Just like that.
Wow. Okay, so what were you doing? And for now on your move, because I am that G's no I mean they belong to a particular group B no money and Yamaka crack so say their star will shine a bet your Moncani. So before that Nana Yanti on Cancer now Camp Bena now and what were you guys doing?
Oh, media na me ni can be as you. I mean,
you were doing your own thing.
When I'm keke, from label to label, sir. So me, I'm transiting. Say, Charlie, let me try this social media thing. I plan to say a bit like what I say, cause now you him say social media idea at least what you trending kakra. First issues not trending, so let's try it with a song. So that was the plan.
Oh, okay.
So we built on that.
All right. Now, in theory, you can't have some guy.
My dear, oh, come close, or the can't cook Nanya, Manco. I sit down when I'm in Dallas when I'm in back when I'm in Jam when to let you when I'm in Chow bread. Don't fear, send me better, or better me home for fame. I know, but bomb go some go the nebo for some so I promise so much in a social. I know what you put on my phone, no much in the bono for that demo no one the chincha, I know no no boss my palm and holding, I know pepame who come so what they want me stop it for what Marvin Adias them jamming, I mean, come me a virgin. I will pay every Monday, be a make a library, one by account, me blessings. I pay a day, I want attention. Who you me share, me try, me testing. Craving for the sex and pressing with the Netflix. Before where you me tactics, desperate. Sour, the time, you jam, you in bed. Sour, but I you there, you mean yet. Or the sour, the time, you jam, you in bed. Sour, but I you there, you mean yet. There, you mean yet, jam, you in bed, there, you mean yet. Jam, you in bed, there, you mean yet, jam, you in bed. There, you mean yet, jam, you in bed, there, you mean yet. Jam, you in bed, there, you mean yet, jam, you in bed. But it's how the Jojo Mio, I call up a min the Musodo Mio, see up in slow motion, me peno motion, way me show see Roro Mio, see to let my dear hold here, make a hold here, some dear, no slow dear, no fear, time into hold me a bombia, make a dear code, be a code here, take low fear, go here. Damn, what the body they want me, become a chin, I'm a dodgy, my nigga got me on the name, come on, for me, what they want me, so people never me volley up and I look at them, my day, probably money, but when they came on, sorry, you're anybody put on me, you put me money, some money, over some money, money for money, why some money, so my man, I'm about to danger, I saw penny to so prime, jammy, to Bobby, Miami, Crow, jamming, co. About him to blow, how we need me so bad, we didn't cook one, I see boy. Yanni never so tired, and I'm a penny carry now, go to Rashi po. See, I'm a ninja so down, the brand of a palm and in the so jammy, me come out, the time, you jammy, you're in bed.
To let me pass all ya, dear mammy, sir. I so don't be horrible, baby. I say, second verse, oh, mammy, honor freestyle, I'm ready.
Jais happening to prime jammy to Baby Miami Crow jamming co about him se blow how and him show Baby Dinko. Okay, the starter. Other side, the Jojo Mio, I call up a mini Musodo Mio, was up in slow motion, me peno motion, way me show si Romeo, situleja, or situle my dear hold here, make a hold here, some gear, no slow gear, no fear, time into hold me a bombi, make a J code, be a code here, take low fear, go here. Then what the body they want me come in, I'm a dodge, my Danico Gomain, or the name to money from me, what in the morning they want me, so when I'm a volley up and I'll go in, Mamma Day, Muffa Bonnie, Muboni, Chiman, and so you're in the body, put on me open, Muboni, some money, to some sonny money hockey for money, why some money into my mention motor day. Jais happening to something.
Obia tries to be reproving.
Oh,
because that is one there. I saw the identity I'll be down. So I say, oh, yeah, innocent, be or naive, be there, Charlie. No, Bisa, be there, Bisa.
Charlie.
To me, steady idea, like, me try a new way about me marriage. I mean, why that I'll research on marriage and how a married man lives. Then I'm not sure. So I feel say I'll worry that.
So because there's a typical, situation where you be like the lady know what's up more than you where you won't do it. So I'm Hey, Charlie, this is happening. It's wow, experience here, but what should I research into it and now who put you together?
Yeah.
Wow. Nice one. Style of rap. Said your rap. Oh no. ube place you who star because who say you be no rap no I know say or yeah funny be like who say on shit that serious be man but they no cancer and they be so come straight onto the air or spit bass number near there. Where do you belong?
Me honestly, I'm not trying to brag or anything, but we be kai today. Me the all kind in here be. Me to me funny, so me cancer, me serious. Me to me very romantic. Me to me very hard. Like stages.
Yeah.
The things I'm talking about, me drop it, me drop in Yumbia, me my hard bass like. What is he trying to say? Me my emotional, so me my inspirational. Like, I can do everything. What I say, me drop in one. Yeah.
Wow.
Team in China any style, sir. I say Kendrick Lamar. Yeah.
Yeah, baby, I root
yeah,
you. Wow.
Yeah, hard rough.
And this is your girlfriend.
Where am I chat?
Yeah.
Turn up.
The boys at the back. To all my boys at the the stubborn boys at the back with their heads on the table. They move to your girlfriend. They move to your girlfriend. They move to. They move to. They move to. She's denying you. They move to. She's denying you. They move to. They move to. She's denying you. They move to. Friday night, you dey house tonight. Your girl dey club, you dey house tonight. You know the boys where they back tonight. You know the boys where go knock tonight. Friday night, lock your girl tonight. Take her phone, read the chat tonight. You know the boys where they chat tonight. You know the boys where go knock tonight. Obini, 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 give them Obini. Next time, they move to your girlfriend. They move to your girlfriend. They move to. They move to. They move to. She's denying you. They move to. She's denying you. They move to. They move to. They move to. She's denying you. They move to. She's denying you. German, come see your babe. Get on the phone. I said my bad. Chairman, come see your woman. Get on the phone. I said my bad. And I just 12, she get online. I said my bad. She turn off in last scene. I said my bad. Now I'm busy if you call her. I said my bad. She did slash, she stopped the call. I said my bad. She's taking pics in a V8 too. Meanwhile, Uber eat the pic. I said my bad. She did bloom plus some bombers. I said my bad. You did house, they watch snaps. But when in the home, they move to your girlfriend. Your girlfriend. They move to. They move to. They move to. She's denying you. They move to. She's denying you. They move to. Oh, read the child. They move to. Oh, read the child. They move to. She's denying you. They move to. She's denying you.
I beg, today, more now what chairman knows something they do. I beg, yaro, move funny move, move funny move.
One look line. So I say one look sour. Right on the left, right. Everyone going to find left, right. Everyone I just the left, right. Everyone going to find left, right. It's Titan. Stubborn boys at the back.
All right, so that's your girlfriend. Now today, ever since I mean, you buy will be at on car or industry near there. Artists, many artists, them stand on your my age, man. Because I recently been collaboration be near there.
Oh yeah, I think I've worked with a few artists. Medical. Yeah, me Medical. I recorded like four or five songs.
Yeah.
One I'm na Ejumapa, Joy B, Family, Kwame MP, Kofi Mole, Yapono, EL, Bosom Young, yeah, and Kweku Smoke. Hard guys. Yeah.
Hard guys, man.
Hard,
I love that one. Hard guys, because boys are hard, only
yeah.
Okay, so now there's a new one.
Yeah.
Tell us about it.
Oh, the new one is titled Link Up. Don't say situation everyone see Corona set plans. So you'll be able to say Corona they set plans.
Yeah.
So I'm just trying to say it doesn't mean say plans are now what damunti on chilling. Hey, chilling there. Corona beto chilling no what I say. And you're supposed to chill and release stress. What I say, yeah. Also to me chilling they be that's our idea, not our thought say BB or higher sell plans no. If you trim. And yes, you'll be depressed. Yeah. So it's just
that's about link up.
Yeah.
All right. So yeah, better link up. But my industry ever since album, no. How do you see it? And where do you see yourself? Say maybe in the next 5 years, where will TULENKEY be?
Oh, I see myself to be a worldwide brand. That's what I see. So I'm working on a stage by stage.
Yeah.
And I own him say.
And so far, how is it going?
Oh, I think. Not long ago now, many meeting we actually sat down to like restructure everything. I said, okay, we were going this way and that was the wrong way. Let's go this way. Let's restructure everything. Let's plan. I think I restructure BB and say, okay, a bit man is saying. So in 5 years time, no, then we are to don't rush things. Some people almost start to person blow African, blow approach before blow country, but it's not possible. So I say started from ground up.
Okay.
So that's what we are doing now. Yeah.
You mentioned earlier, say now no label, nothing.
Yeah.
Now So now how is it like?
Oh, yeah, chill. I once still have any label into. And you ever drop here? It is scanning your shame.
So you are still doing your own thing.
I'm still doing my own thing.
Any record label
No, I'm not under any label now. Yeah.
Wow. So tell me, doing your own thing, unlike a more labels are or manager who handles this person handles that, and they push money into it, make sure say works now is everywhere, and I mean everything that you need to get to the top they provide. Now and Charlie, that support is not there. How is it like?
Oh, it's extremely tiring. I have to say, but it's also good because Miami, once the DJ say, almost feel say artist and say moving on to boss so and so play this my song. The DJ will be honored say artist more moving to. So that's why I do me my manager and I'll do it myself to build that relationship. Yeah. What I say. So that's why I do. Because other obi all label I say no. What's your did now at the record and now call now my mouse when you're out of the label.
Yeah.
Once after the only connect. But maybe I'm building like I said from ground up. Into tiring but at the end of the day, me more connect to DJs like Shao said DJs who have been holding me down. Me to me for be chatting on a normal. That's what we are doing. And it's very good. Yeah.
Wow. That's nice. Okay, so let's check out Link Up na Yemfa Mkomo Embra area. Uzuti Adom 106.3 FM. All right, say Charlie obi amuna we obi ampeni de na mo fan chilling here. Chilling here very very necessary. All right, so today I know say you have a couple of songs near there, but the artists be and say at least obetimi build a lot when it comes to music, maybe get some albums near there. Na say they say obese na UV be no there single yeah near the choir single need is quite na EP bia be from near there. So are we going to see that thing from to listen time will come like drop like an album maybe with child songs near there that people can jam to?
Yeah, I'm working on an album. Like I dropped the album in the middle of the year, but Corona can't support since.
Oh, okay.
And Pianco next year, but I have a couple of international features on it. Album hard, yeah.
Hey, Obi, how you now they do your thing? You manage get some, international acts be there on your album.
It shows that everything is possible.
Okay. We can't wait to hear those ones and also as well. So we're here to support you. Yeah, one parents what I which is there. Yami ya na next year yen tan kom na yen hwe what will happen any new one bebane album nankasa cry in particular na those acts never bass no na yet me ahwe na enjoy na. All right, so if people want to get to you, they say wow cause I'll be the links near there now. I mean, I'm out for person contact Tulea. I mean, how do you go about it?
Oh, and numbers no, like I think all social media platforms, like mostly, or let's say mainly Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Okay. Yeah, me contact or anything, any business, any support or any idea of a social, you can contact that number and let's talk. Yeah.
And if they want to follow you to on social media, there's TULENKEY.
TULENKEY everywhere except Instagram. Instagram, chief.tulenke.
All right.
Oh, what do you say?
But they're not okay.
Pam.
Today, that's the song best side. So we're here for you. If there's any message, last one, be a person catch your fans.
I thank you guys so much for the support, especially Team TULENKEY. You know, keep sharing my stuff. Let's just do that, and we'll get to the top. Bless up. I love you guys.
Sure. All right. Okay, so now you know what time it is. I get that time. Yeah, Brenna. So, say the bro.